Hey, this is Derek Demore with Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live. We're here as a recap in the afternoon. Sorry, I got a little late start. Usually we do it before we've restarted, but it's a little sidetracked. So I just wanted to share kind of what's happened the last couple of days. We had a amazing call, down here, 50% retracement, came up, literally had a doji pin bar candle. Talked about this coming down to 38.62 at least. It actually came down to 51.50-ish. Thought it might go all the way down to 38.45, maybe get down to the channel. It didn't, which is fine. And then the rest of the day after it came down, we talked about once it breaks through 38.95, that it would burst through that and then potentially get up to the 39.28, 39.30 area. We pretty much got there, not quite. We're about 1.25 points short, but again, just going through what we see. Now, typically, this will come down, do about a 50% retracement on the candle, maybe go to the tip here. So I see a retest at 3,900. Now, this went up first, which is a little unusual on a candlestick, but we're early on in the evening. So on a daily basis, I still see this coming and retesting close to 3,900, maybe a little higher, 3,904. And then honestly, I think all-time highs are in the cards. Let's look at the 4-hour and see where we're at. So yeah, the all-time high I know is up here at 39.59. And I really see that at some point in the next couple of days, we're going to try to retest that pretty closely. 60 minutes, see that, 15. I see no change in looking at any of these. 5 minute, good spot, just tried to go long there, missed it. I mean, look at this, up, 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 up. Let's just see the standard chart. You get the 200, the 89, the 50, the 21's. This might come down. Like I said, I'd like a retest. I'd like a chance to come down close to the 200 and then bounce off. So maybe 39.02 to 39.05, 39.08. That's kind of where I see the retest. So we'll see what happens. Let's look at the other markets. So unlike the MES, the M2K RTY, the Russell, it has 50%, but now it's come all the way back and it is very close. We're talking within percentages, looks like about a 5%, 6% from its all-time high of 23.17-ish. So that's going to definitely, that looks to be in the cards. I don't know whether we're going to push through, but that will be very interesting to see when we get there fairly closely. Let's just look at the 5 minute really quickly, see where we're at. Kind of been going sideways for the last few hours, maybe gearing up. Might get a little pullback. So this is the reopening. Get a little pullback down to the 89 or so, and then a launch. Look at the narrowing here of the Bollinger Bands. So we're going to have a big expansion one way or the other pretty soon. Fibonacci 618 gets us down to 84, which is right at the 89 period. 382 gets us to the 4 sigma if it happens quick. So I don't know. We'll see what happens here. Don't really know. I just feel all-time highs are in the cards. Let's go to the MNQ and the NQ right now. Wow, what a different look. Again, we had 100% pullback versus a 50% pullback on the other two indices. We had an up day, came down and went halfway on this candle from the close. Went up, didn't make a higher high to the candle, and we're right at that line where you can see, look at where we're at, this line at 13,345. So this looks to be like it's going to burst out and then go back up to the 545, 550 area. So that should be interesting to see. Let's just check the 5 minute. I might get into a trade live here pretty quick because this looks like it's going to take off pretty soon. It's pulled back a little bit, had a nice down move. Oh, that was a great spot for an entry. I missed that one. Might be going down a little lower, maybe to the 265, but then ultimately to break out to get back going north. So thanks for being part of Futures Networks Live. Hopefully you're becoming a better price action and profitable trader. We're here every day to help you along the way. Join us anytime, futuresnetworks.live and Futures to More. Enjoy.